So how's uni? Yep, all good. I'm £2,000 into my overdraft, falling behind in every single module, haven't eaten a fresh meal in months, and I'm hungover every single day, but other than that, it's really fun. Right, I can finally tuck into this meal. Oh, fuck off. Matt, we gotta go outside. No, I'm not letting this food go cold. I'd rather burn in the fire. Okay, that'll be £3 million and your nan's left leg. Oh, I see it's on a bit of a discount this week. Lovely. Guys, student finance just came in. Finally! Get in. £4,500. Okay, so after I pay my rent, that leaves me with minus 1,300. We're in the money. Ooh, guys, look, there's a crackhead outside our window.
Oh, looking at me.
Why did we choose this town again?
Yeah,
I thought it was nice there. Matt, are you going to that 9 a.m. tomorrow? I really can't be arsed. Babe, you've been in more K-holes than 9 a.m. lectures this year. You probably should go. Okay, you don't need to say that out loud. Why don't we do pre's at our flat? Yeah, that seems like a great idea that we definitely won't regret tomorrow morning. I can't believe I found a best mate for life after 2 weeks. In it, like, we're probably going to be at each other's weddings and shit. You right, mate? You right? Yeah, not bad.